Hi guys, and today we're gonna open this slime box. And my dad will help me. So let's start. First he will open the box.
Me?
Yeah, I don't know.
Looks great, girl. Are you sure this was your first time? Yeah, you're a really good teacher. Aw, that's cute, Ruben. Thanks.
Unboxing so hard. Get it? I got it now. Okay.
Well guys, he's opening it.
Opening. Here's what we got.
Look!
Show it to them.
Look what we got.
What's that?
You have to wait because we're gonna open this. Look, it stirs.
Come on.
And we got yellow slime.
What's it?
It's so squishy. And we got the cover for my slime. We have also this. That is stickers.
Oh.
And we have some
the
more.
ingredients.
So let's start.
Okay, first.
First, we have to copy this.
Yeah. First thing is this one. Mix. Second is add. And third, mold. Okay.
We have a mold.
Check. You have to mix the which one?
It's in here.
It's in here. Let me
Yeah.
check it. Wait a minute.
My
You
dad
had
is
it.
opening it.
Wait a minute. This is how it is.
Look what we
I
got.
think. Yeah.
We need water to put
Huh?
on.
Just wait a minute. That's this pink. They got
It's like a
flavors.
lemonade.
They got flavors. Okay. This is the first instruction. Make your frosting. Choose the donut you want to make and prepare.
Here's the donut.
Huh? Okay.
Mm.
Are you sure that is the donut?
Yeah, it's like this donut. So it's like,
Oh.
look at.
But they
the
said you have to
donut.
choose like this. Oh. First, choose the which one? Pink frost or purple yum? Which one you want? Which
Purple
one?
yum.
Purple yum is this one. So you have to get the. Can you open it? And this is not the purple one. It's the blue one. Let me see.
Ew.
Oh, this one.
Show
So
me the
this
purple yum.
one is this.
Yes.
So if you're gonna
Open.
yeah, so if you're going to do the donut, ate wait. Look. If you're going to do the donut, so you have to not yet, this is yeah. Where is this?
It's this one.
No. This one is this one, right?
Maybe it's this.
Huh? No. This is also purple. Where is it?
They did not put it.
Hmm?
They did not put.
For sure it's there. So where is this?
It's this one.
No. This one is this. Right? This is the pink lemonade. This one. This one and the pink one goes together. This one, ate. Ate, wait. Don't open anything. Huh? Because we have to put them all
Together.
I think the purple one and which this one?
We have to mix it.
Ah, okay. This one. Put it like this. Yeah.
Let's start.
Open it.
I almost opened it. Open. like me.
Be careful, ate. Ha? It's
Why?
a little bit like I don't know if it is a bad one or. Wag mo siyang pag-iwalayin. You get it the whole one.
Huh? Can I get side?
Yeah.
Luna. Wait,
You-
wait. It's good.
Get your clothes.
Wait. Luna. Wait.
Kala, you're vlogging.
I want this.
Yeah. Just hold it. Just hold it.
Mom.
Uh.
Mom. Look. It's stretchy. Thank you.
Luna, don't go here. Ate is vlogging.
It's so stretchy.
I cannot see your bamboo.
How would you like to make it
Okay, then make it like this daw.
very special?
Oh.
You should make it like this. Like this. Then,
Yeah.
What should we-
Is it like this? Because I don't know how to make that.
this one.
Wait.
You have to put it here. Right?
Yeah.
Go. Iyan mo siya. Iganon mo siya.
Which one? This?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you have to put it here.
Which one?
This one. Ito. Make a hole in the middle.
Get it? Yeah.
Like this. Like this?
Hmm.
How?
It's this one.
Can you see? No. Like this.
Great. Wow. And now for the
Can you see?
with a flick of my wrist and a flip
Is it like this?
with unicorn.
Yeah.
And then so it will become a donut or the other way around? Like this?
Birthday to you.
Where should we use this?
Happy birthday, dear Cricket. Happy birthday to you.
First, this one. Hey, let's see. This one. Okay, this one natin.
Aw, thanks, little sister.
Take the slime from the bag and mold your donut carefully.
Who's ready for the
So I have to mold it carefully.
Yeah, like this, ate. I'll show you.
How do you do?
Yeah, like this. No, put it here, ate.
Hmm.
Here.
I need
Ate,
to
you have...
put it.
Song, how do you do?
Here.
This is how about Ms. Marmalady?
Yeah,
What
like
are
this.
you doing here?
See, oh? It's flat.
For the baby playgroup.
You are?
Yes, with my darling nephews. Say hi to everyone, nephews.
Oh, I didn't know you had nephews. Have we met them before? They look very familiar.
Nope, never met. But now you have. So, easy squeezy, please.
Oh, sorry, Miss Marmalady. The easy squeezes are for the other group.
Yeah, hi.
So, who wants to lip sing the hello song with me?
Follow the steps.
Join us.
Fine, let's get this over with.
It's the hello song. How do you do? This is Serena. How about you? My name's Swoosh.
Ha! I'm Miss Marmalady, so now give me a smoothie thingy.
You really want those smoothies, and your nephews can have some right after we play Freeze Dance.
What? I need those smoothies before Martha gets back with Jake.
Yes, po.
Can I have
Yeah,
it?
ate is doing it first.
Daddy, can you open it?
Later. We'll do a vlog, okay? Say hi to the vlog.
Luna, blood. Okay, gonna do a special grimace pop sabab.
When the music
Sabab, it's our slime. We're gonna do the sabab.
Okay.
Oh, shh.